So I'm in a hotel where I am, and I've just ordered some water to my room, and I wanted to show you something which is incredible. Here, you do not need people to be bringing stuff to your room. The robot will do that for you. And I'm following this robot until it gets all the delivery to my room. Look at it. So that's my food now. My room is 1230, 1230. So I'll follow it just to show you that you do not need in China any more of those people who come to knock on your door and bring food or whatever. The robot will do that for you. It's getting to the lift now. As you can see, I'm following it because I wanted to show you something. When it arrives at the seat, has been programmed, and the door will try to open. So it will wait for the lift to come through, and it has now, since its program is connected to the lift, it's just going through and waiting. The lift has arrived, as you can see at the top. So it will open. It will open now. And then I'll also get in. So there it is. The robot is going inside. It will turn. And I'm here together with the robot. As you can see, I'm in the lift together with the robot. I just wanted to see that if it will go to my room. There it is. It actually pressed the room, has pressed the 12th floor. I'm together with the robot. So there it is. And this is incredible. So all those years of waiters coming to your room are the thing of the past in China. We don't have such a thing in the United Kingdom, neither in the United States, and it's going. It has come to the 12th floor. And I'm following it to see if it will go to my room, which is 1230. And I want to see what it's going to do. Now, you see some obstacles in front of us on the side. Those are obstacles. They are cleaning the rooms now. But I'm just following the robot to see if, you see, it can actually detect all the distraction in front of it and all the obstacles, and it will move to the side and continues. And as you can see, it's going, and I want to see what will happen, how it will deliver the water in my room, and my room is 1230. This is the room. Look at it. So the robot has delivered. What will happen next? I don't know. I'm opening the room. Yes. What happens next is the robot rings my phone to tell me that, hello? Yes? Okay, thank you. Rings my phone to tell me that it has delivered. And it's on the door. It's at the door waiting for me. I open the door. Open. And I press open. And it opens. And it brings my goods. And I press close. And I press close again. It will close. And turn around and go back. That's China for you. Stop demonizing China. This is a great country, and it's doing a lot of things which are impossible perhaps we used to say 5, 6 years ago that are impossible. But this is reality. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.